Jumping up and down in muddy puddles is my favorite superhero exercise.
Dinosaur.
George! George, come and see!
I don't think this is my ball.
Wow, it must be a real spaceship from outer space.
Spaceship. Ooh.
Every spaceship needs a brave astronaut. Who should it be?
Dinosaur. I'm doing it. I'm really flying a spaceship. I'm an expert space pilot. Look at me go. Zoom, zoom. It's not a bee, Daddy. It's a spaceship.
And now for the super amazing Loop the Loop!
Be careful, Peppa. You don't know how that thing works. Uh-oh. The go up and down stick is stuck.
It's out of control.
What is all that noise?
The spaceship! It's gonna crash into the big tree! Spaceship! Gone!
And Mr. Dinosaur!
Oh dear, that is very high up.
It's stuck. We have to save the astronaut. Don't worry, I'll get it. It's a bit higher than I thought.
The tree is too big, Daddy!
Dinah stuck. Don't worry, George. A normal person can't climb that tree. But this looks like a job for Spider Pig. Be careful, Peppa.
Spider pigs are excellent climbers. Wow! Look at her go!
Go, Peppa, go! Oh, she's so high up.
Almost there.
Don't worry, Mr. Astronaut Dinosaur. The rescue is here!
Ah! Coming down! Hooray!
Well done, Peppa! You were very brave!
The astronaut is safe.
Dinosaur!
Let's see that remote control, Peppa. Oh, I think the go stick is broken. We can't fly it anymore.
Not to worry. I'm a bit of an expert at tricky sticks. There! Good as new!
Hooray for Daddy Pig! That's a much more sensible way to fly a spaceship.
Yes! We must keep the astronauts safe. Boeing! Zip! Zap! Alien alert! Boeing!
I love finding mysterious spaceships. But everyone loves Daddy Pig's silly space noises.